Michelle Lewin is a prominent fitness model and influencer known for her inspiring journey from a public relations role in a hospital to becoming a global fitness icon. Born in Venezuela, she initially pursued modeling but found her true passion in fitness, leveraging social media to showcase her workout routines and healthy lifestyle. Her decision to focus on fitness coincided with the rise of Instagram, allowing her to connect with a wide audience and motivate many to embark on their fitness journeys. Lewin has graced the covers of numerous fitness magazines and has been featured in various fitness documentaries, including Generation Iron. Her accolades include being a Playboy cover model and competing in NPC bikini contests, which further solidified her status in the fitness community. With over 14 million followers across her social media platforms, she has become a powerful voice in promoting a healthy and fit lifestyle, emphasizing the importance of nutrition and consistent training. In addition to her modeling and social media presence, Lewin has developed her own line of supplements and home workout equipment, further establishing her brand in the fitness industry. Her workout programs, such as the 21-day challenge and 19-day advanced challenge, offer structured approaches for aspiring fitness enthusiasts. Michelle Lewin's journey exemplifies dedication and resilience, inspiring countless individuals to pursue their fitness goals with confidence and determination.